Markets dealing with some anger issues. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, October the 1st, the start of the fourth quarter, a new day, a new dawn, and here we are. And, of course, they've had some pretty dramatic reversals already today. Quite a bit of action in markets, but I want to remind you of our new partnership, and there was a little bit of confusion with the spelling of My Chips yesterday. But we are now advisors with My Chips, the new cryptocurrency, which you can check it out. And all you got to do is go to My Chips, Charlie Hotel India Papa Zulu, .io. Okay, that is My Chips with a Z, not an S, .io, and check them out. But it looks like it's going to be a big winner and a lot of fun. In the meantime, they're clobbering. Well, they're not clobbering, but from where they were, the Dow is down. The NASDAQ is getting clobbered, down 120. S&P is down 15. Russell down 61. These were all much higher earlier. We are short and sold into the rally this morning because all the signals reversed overnight. But again, we could see this could get even uglier. I'm not predicting. I'm just looking at it and watching the action. It's hard to see any rally coming through. Crude is a little bit higher. It has been all over the place. Crude's had about almost $1.50 range today. It is right now at the upper end of that range, and we'll see. Again, listen, this is the wonderful energy policy from your wonderful administration. Okay, so let them keep sticking it up your ass, which is perfect. I mean, that's what we want to do, is pay a lot more for gas and energy. But in the meantime, metals are rallying once again. Now, again, are the bottoms in, or are these just dead cat bounces? And we're still short, okay? And they need a lot of work to really start to move higher from here. It goes up about $3. It's been, pretty much on both sides of the market today. Silver's been stronger, but it obviously was the weakest. But again, it could be changing. Listen, we don't know. There's no factual evidence that it is either not or not changing yet. Okay, right now it's just moving. Okay, and we'll see if this is indeed a dead cat bounce, but we've been short for so long. I mean, we're going on months. So, and of course, platinum is lower, platinum is higher, and we don't trade it. Okay, we would be shorted, but we don't trade it right now because it's not liquid enough. And the dollar is lower. We're long. The copper is higher. We're short, but of course, after yesterday's debacle, you would expect a bounce. Okay, nat gas is lower. We are still long, but this is almost still up in the 575 range. Again, remember where it's priced at. Bonds and notes are higher, which is not a surprise. You get a little fear in the markets, and there people run not to the VIX, but to the Treasury bonds, the notes, and of course the U.S. dollar. And the VIX is not at all reacting to any of this action, really, which is, again, interesting, which would indicate that, it may not be rushing down so fast. Bitcoin is up almost 4,000. Interesting. Okay. Continues to kind of hold. It's really just stuck in that 40 to 50,000 range. Okay. And, of course, in the grain markets, you've got corn down, soybeans down, wheat up 18 cents. Pretty big move. We're short them all. But again, you had yesterday a pretty healthy selling as well. And in the protein complex, you've got feeder cattle, which is higher. You've got hogs, which are higher. And you've got fat cattle, which are higher. We are still short, again, across the board. But as I have mentioned, it does look like there could be some changes coming. They are starting to show some signs of life. And the softs, we're long them all. Cotton, other than December, is lower. Okay, coffee higher, sugar lower, cocoa higher, OJ lower. So you've got a little bit of a mixed picture, but it's been a pretty good run, and certainly nothing for us to be concerned about at the moment. We'll just continue to rock and roll and trade the way that we always do. Again, remember one thing: consistency is the key to what you do. And of course, we had a nice week day trading with our day trading group in the morning. In the meantime, don't forget about our other partners. And of course, we've got a couple of brokerage partners. And remember, I have other brokers, but I do have two that I recommend that I believe in, that I use aggressively. and they're the best for what I'm doing. And of course, for commodities and futures, it's the Capital Trading Group, or CTG. Listen, they've got the best customer service in an industry that's losing service fast. Okay. They've got great managed futures products on their own. They are the only ones I've authorized for letter of direction, and they trade all my accounts. Check them out, info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, trade here. I mean, look, for equities and options, why would you pay more than $10 a month? There's no logical reason, okay, other than you want to pay more for the same product. I don't get it, but hey, that's up to you. It is your money. It is your account. In the meantime, Trader's $10 a month. We've got their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios for you at no cost. Trader doesn't charge for it. We don't charge for it. And of course, if you're a hedger, you do pay for it because you took a class, not a membership in month-to-month things. So, but in the meantime, either way, you can have your trading done automatically for $10 a month, plus whatever the fees are. Of course, your membership in the equity portfolios is free. And that is try.tradeyear.com/Bubba. That's try.tradeyear.com/Bubba. And of course, Family Farms Group for farmers who don't want to do the grunt work. I wish they had a trading group they could take care of for me. In the meantime, check them out. Family Farms, familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, our metals partners for physical and delivery and storage. Listen, Strategic Wealth Preservation, that's where I do all my shopping. They are terrific. Check them out, swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That's Sierra Whiskey Papa Charlie Alpha Yankee Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. Our commodity report, Technomental, Andy Hecht, what a job he does. He's working his ass off on the quarterlies right now. But if you're trading commodities and not using this report, shame on you. It is by far the most comprehensive in the industry. Go to BubbaTrading.com, check it out, Technomental. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, we lost a beer and a pizza on our game last night. And big game tonight in college if you play. We like Maryland tonight, plus the 4 against Iowa. So in the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here again on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Take care, everybody. We'll see you later.